Hi there and welcome to the latest from the Met Office. A cold and bright start for many of us on Tuesday. Another fine day follows for the vast majority under an area of high pressure. Cloudier skies for northern Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, and then increasingly southern Scotland as well as northern England into parts of eastern England through Monday night. And as we start off Tuesday, that keeps things frost-free and fog-free in these areas, but in between, under clear skies, patches of fog, touch of frost in places. But otherwise plenty of brightness through a large part of England as well as Wales. Despite the chill, those sunny spells lead to a very pleasant day indeed in these locations. High pressure well and truly in charge on Tuesday. That keeps things fine, but this cold front, well, it is approaching from the northwest, and that's going to bring a change midweek to colder and eventually more unsettled weather. For the time being, though, a lot of sunshine, I think, on the cards for northern and western England, Wales as well. Cloudier skies compared to Monday across East Anglia and the southeast. Fewer showers, though, across the far southeast. They're mostly offshore by this stage. Scotland and Northern Ireland seeing a similar day, a bit more cloud, I think, in places, but further drizzly showers for northern and western Scotland coming in from the west. One or two light outbreaks of rain for northwest England and North Wales. On the whole, though, most places are dry and settled, and with the sunshine and light winds feeling pleasant enough. 8 to 10 Celsius through central areas, looking at similar numbers further north as well. Into Tuesday evening, and the rain becomes a bit more persistent towards the far northwest, and this weather front arriving by midnight brings a spell of rain to much of Scotland and eventually Northern Ireland. Ahead of that, areas of fog forming in the south, low cloud around as well as we start off Wednesday, and where we get clear skies for frost once again as we begin things. So another chilly start in places, some poor visibility on the roads across the southern half of the country. The fog eventually clearing, but the clouds sticking around in places, so I think a cloudier day for many. A slice of brighter skies follow, but only ahead of this weather front, which brings a spell of rain first thing to Scotland and Northern Ireland before it pushes into northern England and North Wales. Not much rain on this, it's mostly on and off rain, and then it's followed by brighter skies, blustery showers into the north, and the air turns colder through the day, so we're likely to see that rain or the showers fall as snow over the higher ground of northern and western Scotland. Above 600 metres or so as we end Wednesday, but even colder air comes south on Thursday morning, so potentially some snow falling to lower levels in the far north of Scotland Thursday morning, and then settling over hills. Wet weather then pushes through on Friday morning. It pushes into southern parts of the country by the afternoon. Mostly this is rain, but another dig of cold air follows that, and the potential, and at this stage it's a risk rather than a guarantee, that the isobars will tighten around the area of low pressure in the North Sea, and we'll see a spell of very strong winds across northwestern and then western parts of the country later Friday and into the start of the weekend. Also some unsettled weather wrapped around that low, and with the cold air there's the chance of some significant hill snow across Scotland, and then that mix of rain and hill snow comes south during Saturday morning. Always the potential that the snow won't be entirely confined to hills as well. But of course, for those kinds of details, we'll have to get closer up to the weekend, and you can find more information on the week ahead forecast through the YouTube channel and various other social media outlets. Bye-bye.